alphabet. Today, we are going to learn about the alphabet. Read it out loud and think about words that start with that letter. Letter A. Can you think of things that start with the letter A? Letter B. Who can come up with words that start with the letter B? Letter C. Let's explore things that begin with the letter C. Letter D. Can you come up with as many words as you can that start with the letter D? Letter E. Who can come up with words that start with the letter E? Letter F. Let's brainstorm. What are some objects that start with the letter F? Letter G. I spy with my little eye something that starts with the letter G. Can you guess what it is? Letter H. Our mission is to find words that start with the letter H. Who's up for the task? Letter I. Imagine a world full of things that start with the letter I. Can you share some examples? Letter J. Get your thinking caps on. We're on a quest to discover words that begin with the letter J. Any ideas? Letter K. Calling all word detectives. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to uncover words that start with the letter K. Who's up for the challenge? Letter L. Let's play a guessing game. I'm thinking of a word that starts with the letter L. Can you guess what it is? Letter M. Let's dive into the letter M. Who can come up with some words that start with this amazing letter? Letter N. Do you have a word radar? We're searching for words that start with the letter N. Can you detect any? Letter O. Get your word engines revved up. We're on a quest to gather words that begin with the letter O. Ready, set, brainstorm? Letter P. Calling all creative minds. We need your help to invent words that start with the letter P. Let your imagination run wild. Letter Q. Quick. We need your help to think of words that start with the letter Q. Time is ticking. Can you do it? Letter R. Are you ready to embark on a word hunt? Let's search for words that start with the letter R. Who will find the most? Letter S. Listen closely. I'm going to say a letter, and your job is to shout out as many words as you can that start with it. Ready? S. Letter T. Let's put our thinking caps on and come up with words that begin with the letter T. Who has an idea? Letter U. Let's play the U word game. Who can come up with the most amazing words that start with this tricky letter? Letter V. Attention, young linguists.